Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2015 Ford Fiesta Ambiente. Stock reference number 3885. This shape runs from the 6 months 2013 and is the current shape. It has a UEJD 1.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic front-wheel drive transmission. UEJD 1.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the left-hand front. We have the right-hand headlight, halogen tyre. This vehicle is fitted with factory 15-inch steel rims. The left front has a good tyre. We have the left power door mirror. Left rear door appears to have no damage. Left rear 15-inch standard steel rim with a good tyre. Left tail light, it's got a tidy rear bumper cover. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Spoiler type. Right tail light. Right rear 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Right rear door has 2 small dents. Right front door appears to have no damage. Right power door mirror. Right front guard appears to have no damage. And right front 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with a black cloth interior. It's got a automatic console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, single stack CD player, display cluster, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.